It's 6 a.m. Your alarm goes off. You open your eyes and you feel like you were hit by a truck. Your heart is pounding. Your palms are sweating. You get that rush of dread before your eyes even open and you think, why is this happening again? Why do I feel fine at night but wake up in panic every morning? You're not crazy or weak. You're definitely not alone. And by the end of this video, I want you to understand why your anxiety peaks in the morning and, more importantly, how to break this cycle so you can wake up peaceful and free again. I'm Dr. John Vaprezsan, and this is Journey to Freedom, where faith, neuroscience, and healing come together to help you overcome anxiety and depression from the inside out. My story started over 20 years ago when I had my first full-blown panic attack. Several weeks later, I was speaking in Louisville, Kentucky, and there was a man who is known for his prayer life, and I thought, I'm going to see this man, and I'm going to ask him if he would pray for me. And so we met in a coat closet, this man and he said, what can I do for you, John? And I said, I want you to pray for me for my anxiety. And he said, what do you want me to pray? And I said, I want you to pray for God to heal me. And just that quick, he looked back at me and he said, do you want God to heal you or do you want God to use you? And at that moment in time, I made up my mind that I wanted God to use me. And that's why Journey to Freedom exists. Maybe you have felt that same fear, that thought that says, what if this never goes away? Your body isn't betraying you. It's trying to protect you. If your anxiety hits hardest in the morning, you might wake up nauseated. You could be shaky or flooded with racing thoughts, and you're definitely not imagining it. It's real. It's a measurable pattern called morning anxiety, and it's tied to one key word. That word is cortisol. Cortisol is what scientists call a stress hormone. Don't panic. Cortisol is not your enemy. It's released from your adrenal glands, two small organs above your kidneys, and every morning they give your body a healthy boost. It's a spike that wakes you up, kind of like coffee. It gets your blood moving. It helps you focus for the day ahead. Think of it as God's natural alarm clock. Without that cortisol spike, we'd all stay in bed with zero motivation. So cortisol is actually a gift, and the problem isn't the cortisol, it's how your nervous system responds to it. When you've been anxious for a long time, your nervous system becomes hypersensitive. That means that normal things like a little adrenaline or suddenly feeling overwhelming can send you to the moon. So when that normal morning dose of cortisol hits your body, it overreacts. Your heart races, your stomach knots, your mind spins, and your brain yells danger, even though you're perfectly safe. Think of this. Think about a salt shaker. And imagine that you have a cut on your arm and you sprinkle salt on it. The salt isn't the problem. The cut is the problem. And the salt in the cut creates a hypersensitive and painful feeling. If there were no cut and you put salt on your arm, there would be a problem. And that's exactly how cortisol works. It's normal, it's healthy, even necessary. But when your nervous system is raw, that normal spike stings. So the goal isn't to eliminate cortisol, it's to heal the sensitivity, to calm your system so your body stops sounding the alarm. Here's 3 easy steps for dealing with morning anxiety. Step 1, understand the truth, that you're not broken or dysfunctional. Your body's doing exactly what God designed it to do. And remember the salt shaker and that high morning cortisol levels are normal. Step 2, stop fighting the sensations. Every time you resist them, you teach your brain that something's wrong. When the symptoms come, say, this is just my body's alarm. I am safe. God's got me. Number 3, keep living your day. Get up, breathe, drink water, step into the sunlight, whisper a prayer of gratitude. And as you move, your body starts learning, we can calm down now. Little by little, those morning bouts with anxiety lose their grip. Remember 2 Timothy chapter 1, verse 7 says, for God hath not given us the spirit of fear, but of power and of love and of a sound mind. That's not just poetry. It's neuroscience. It meets the spirit. You see, you were created for calm. You were designed for peace. You can wake up whole again. If this message has helped you, I would invite you to like and subscribe to our channel, comment, and share this video with someone else. In the comments below, you'll find the link to our Journey to Freedom Masterclass, where we begin to walk people through each step personally to help them finally wake up calm, confident, and free. God did not create you to wake up in fear. He created you to wake up free. I'm Dr. John Vaprezsan, and this is your journey to freedom.